Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a custom 404 error page in Joomla 3. The steps are actually quite simple. If you are using SEF off, then you're going to need to follow these steps below. There's a few extra steps. If SEF is on, then it's a little simpler, and we're going to follow these steps here. I'll put a link to the article below. So step one is we're going to need to create a menu item, and I called mine 404, and this alias here is very important. It can be anything we want, but for convenience I just used 404. Then we're going to create a single article. We're going to create an article. Again, I use the 404 alias. And in here, you will create what you want your 404 error page to look like. Okay? Then when that's done, make sure it's published, save and close. Then go to link type, set display in menu to no. Go to metadata, set your robots to no index, no follow. It's this last one right down here. Okay? Save and close. Then you want to go into cPanel and then go to File Manager. And in File Manager, we need to go down to the Templates, System, error.php, and we need to copy that into your template. So you would put your template name here like Acorn, okay, and then hit Copy Files. Acorn's the name of my template, so you can see it right there. Okay, once you've done that, you'll have the file right here in your template. Very important. Okay, then you want to go into Templates, choose your template, Details and Files, go down to error.php, and we're going to take this code right here, and we're going to paste it right here, right below the define JX or die. Then whatever alias you put in the menu, you need to put right there. Leave everything else the same, just change that alias. Once you've done that, save and close. Hit close again. Go to your website. Go to the, and then double click. And let's try something like silly. And you'll get your 404 page. Now, just a little tip. When you're creating your 404 page, I recommend going into code and applying classes to your code so you can go into custom CSS and style it the way you'd like it to show up. Clearly, I haven't done that yet. This is very ugly. But that's something that I would suggest that you do. But that's all there is to creating a custom 404 template in Joomla 3. Have a good day. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please leave a comment below. If you didn't like it, you can still leave a comment. Have a nice day.